64 miles per hour winds were reported at Tulsa. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Wagner County in northeastern Oklahoma, northern Okmulgee County in northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Muskogee County in east central Oklahoma, eastern Okfuskee County in east central Oklahoma, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bald Hill to Castle, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Beggs, Preston, Okmulgee, Okemo, Bald Hill, Okfuskee, Mason, Stone Bluff, Okmulgee State Park, Hectorville, Haskell, Castle, Morris, Coweta, Bearden. This includes Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 215 and 222. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern and east central Oklahoma. A severe thunderstorm